Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a shopping haul video. I have purchased a lot of tops from Ajio, so I'll be sharing it with you all in this video. So if you guys are first time to my channel, then do not forget to check other videos in my channel, and if you like those videos, please subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So as I said, I have purchased a lot of tops, and this summers I wanted to purchase a lot of tops which would be very airy and comfortable for the summers. So the first top that I purchased is this beautiful white and blue strip shirt. I love this shirt because it is an oversized shirt, and it has a shoulder drop kind of an effect, and this sleeves is of full length, and the material is so airy and comfortable. It is from the brand DNMX, and I just love the material of this shirt. It is not cotton, it is not synthetic as well, it is kind of a linen material, and I just love how it just fits me. It is a size large to me, so I am thinking to exchange it for one size less. It is a very light material, but it is not transparent. It is a very nice material. I love this. I love the button detailing as well, and it has a pocket as well here, so we girls need a lot of pockets, so it has a pocket to satisfy us. So yes, this is the shirt. So yeah, this was my first purchase. So the next thing that I purchased is this beautiful mustard yellow color top. It is a peplum top. It has this flower prints all over, which is of white color, and I love this. It has a V neckline, and sleeves is like a flatter sleeves. It is not like a butter sleeves. It is like a flatter sleeves. So it is not stitched from the bottom, but it gives a very flattering effect, and I love this loose kind of fit for the summers, and it is of pure cotton. I love this peplum kind of a top. If you are a plus size, I would highly recommend you girls to buy this peplum top because it is a nice fit, and it is very airy and perfect for the summers. Floral prints are perfect for summers. So if you like this mustard color, it is available in different colors as well. So it is available in one more powder blue, if I'm not wrong. So if you want that color, you can purchase that as well. But this is a very nice top. It is a little loose to me, and I will definitely go a size down. So yes, this is my next purchase. The next one is definitely going to be my favorite, and that is this beautiful boho print top. It is blue in color. It has a very deep V neckline, and the sleeves is short sleeves, and it has elastic on the sleeves, so it gives a very nice fit. And I love this top because it is so lightweight, and it just fits your body so good, and you start feeling so sexy in it. So yeah, I love this print. I love the entire boho self print going on, and I just fell in love with this as soon as the way it fits on my body. So yeah, this was my next purchase, and if you girls are looking for a perfect boho top for your travel, then this is going to be your next purchase. So definitely go for it. I love this, and this is from the brand Well Dress. I love this. I definitely recommend, highly recommend this top. So yeah, this was my next purchase. The next top that I purchased is this colorful pink printed top. So this is giving me a very festive vibe. So it has all these bright color prints all over. This length is quite long, and I love this entire top. It has this 3/4 sleeves, and in the sleeves you have this elastic as well, which gives a very nice fit. And in the neckline you have they have given this lace effect. So I love this, and this is really giving a very festive vibe. So if you like a very colorful top, then this is definitely going to be your purchase. So it has a very festive vibe to it. So yes, I love this top. It is a little loose fit, but still I love it, and the material is little synthetic and cotton blend. So yeah, this is my next purchase. Next one is perfect for summers, and that is this blue color short kurti. It has this button detailing in the neckline, and the buttons cannot be opened. Okay, it is a stitched button detailing given here, and the sleeves is 3/4, and they have given a stitching kind of a sort here, so it is not going to be a very loose fit. This fits so well on my body. It's a well fitted kurti, and I love this color. This color is very soothing to your eyes during the summers, and I love this kurti. It is very flowy, very comfortable, and it is of cotton material. So yeah, I love this. It has this flower and leaf print going all over. So the entire combination of colors is what I loved in this. And yeah, this is also a highly recommended top from my end. So yeah, go for it. So these were all the tops that I purchased from Ajio, and Ajio has a lot of top wears at a very affordable price. I would highly recommend you girls to purchase all these tops, and all the product links will be given in the description box. So if you want to purchase it, click the link and you can easily purchase the items. So let me know in the comment section how you liked all the tops and the video as well. So hoping that you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share the video among your friends as well. Please support the channel and subscribe more so that we hit 500 soon. So this is all for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.